Hello, this is Ron from Ron's Drone and Camera channel. Today I want to show you the Parrot Anafi, which can be purchased refurb on Amazon.com. It comes with a limited warranty. This is the box it comes in from the company. I will drop a link below to where you could purchase it directly from Amazon. The price varies. I've seen it as low as like $445, and I've seen it a little bit above 500 on a refurb. So I'm going to show you kind of everything you get in the box and discuss the limited warranty with you and the condition it arrived in. Okay, so stay tuned. Okay, this is the box. It's a small box, but it's got some heft to it. So I've already actually cut this open. It's been out of the box already, but I just put it back in just for demonstration purposes for the video. So as you can see, it's by a third-party seller called Windsor, and certified refurbished. It's got 5 stars on it, and box is kind of plain Jane otherwise. It's got a barcode number here. So let's get into it here. So it's got a piece of foam up here to protect the sticks on your controller. The Parrot controller, you just flip it open like this and it automatically comes on. So that's it. It's got some pretty good weight to it. Some people like the controller a lot, and some don't like it because it's kind of looks like a game controller, but you put your phone in there. Instead of the wheels that you find on typical drones, it's got these kind of levers instead, and it includes a USB-C cable. Let me get this up here. People love USB-C nowadays, so you can plug a USB-C in the back there for charging with regular USB on a computer or a dedicated USB charging hub. So that's kind of nice. But if you're going to fly this with a Apple product, an iPhone, you're going to need a standard Apple Lightning cable to hook into your phone. I don't know if this would hook into you could use this for an Android USB-C phone or not. I'm not quite sure, but I know if you said I'm using an iPhone, so you need the standard iPhone cable to connect to your phone. Your phone mounts right in there. I have the iPhone 10, the first one, and it fits perfectly. So that's it with the controller. Let's see here with the box. You get a extra set of props in this box here. I'm not really going to take them out because you're going to see the props on the drone here in a second. It's a complete set of props, so that's good. Here's the drone in this handy little case here. I'm going to show you some of the paperwork here you get with it. You get your standard Anafi quick startup guide and flight safety guide. The standard thing. You got a lot of diagrams here and a lot of small print. So and here's your refurbished policy. You have a 90-day warranty provided by Tech Union on the certified refurbished seller. So they give you the phone number, email, and hours to contact. So that's very nice. And here's a little information about the third-party manufacturer who sells this refurbished product. It has their warranty and some details about them. So again, that's all very nice. And that's it for the box. You don't get a whole lot in the box. Okay, here is the Anafi in this little case. It's sort of like almost like a KFC type of case. It feels very nice. It's got these elastic straps here. I guess you can attach it to some stuff, and it's got like a little kind of a fabric hook here. You could put a like a clip through there, clip it to your belt or clip it to your backpack or something like that. So it's got one zipper, not two. You pull all the way around. You open the product, and there it is. There's the Anafi. It comes with a battery on it. So to flip it open, you flip the fronts out like that, and you flip the, I'm going to get my hand away here. You flip the backs out like that. You hear like that definite snap. It's got a good snap to it. Here's the propellers I told you about it. They're the kind of lightest, thinnest propellers you've ever seen. And they go on separately, unlike a lot of these things, like a DJI that just goes, one thing goes on and it serves both props. But the advantage of these things are that whisper quiet. It's probably the quietest drone you've ever owned. But still is very fast and performs well in moderate wind. Here's the gimbal, and it comes with a gimbal cover on it. And this gimbal, unlike a lot, it can go all the way up. Like it goes all the way up. And it also has a zoom lens on it. It's I think it's 3 stops of lossless zoom, which means there won't be any blurring or distortion. And I think it's 7 stops of zoom altogether, but of course the last 4 will be not lossless. So if you zoom all the way in, it'll look kind of fuzzy, and you know how it is when you like a digital zoom on a phone. It just won't be clear. So the battery pops on. It's this button right here. Let me see, get in the light here. You push that down and and pull the battery back, and it comes off like that. And inside here is where your memory card goes. It's inside kind of this old cell phone SIM card holder from 1999. I don't know why they had to do retro tech there for the memory card, but the good thing is here, if if you're not going on some kind of epic trip where you can't unload the memory card for a while, you can just hook this up to your computer by the USB-C port on the back of the battery there, and it'll be like an external hard drive. You can just pull all the files off your off the Parrot Anafi onto your computer without ever having to touch the memory card. So that's an option for many. And plus, you can also, with one of the latest updates, you can also download the pictures and even the video to your phone, through the phone app, hooked up to the controller. So, there's 2 options to get your data off this device without having to pull the memory card out of the old-fashioned SIM card holder from the late 90s. But the battery, goes on easily. Just click it all the way in, makes a good sound. Make sure it's pushed down in the back, and you're good to go. With some early reports of these batteries falling off, and that's because people didn't snap them on all the way. So it's a lightweight. It's really lightweight without the battery in, but it's a lightweight drone. The antennas are in these feet here, all the way around, so it's got good reception in almost any direction. So that's basically like the thumbnail version. You got your downward facing camera and sensors on the bottom here, and it does have a fan in it. You'll hear it kick on once it's on for a minute or so, and starts creating heat. So it does stay pretty cool. I've never really felt it be real hot even after a long flight. I seem to get anywhere from 18 or 20 minutes per flight with this thing. Pretty good battery life on it. So that's kind of it on the basic portion of what you get from Amazon, from the Refurb store. I mean, I know there's a Flymore kit you can buy for this where you get a case and extra batteries and other things. And I haven't seen that Refurb yet. I've only seen that new. So, but what I want to show you is here, because you've got this nice case. Let me clip this back up again, or put it back. You've got this nice case for the. They even give you a memory card reader in here, and a place to put your memory card if you were going to take it out. And it has a nice little stand here for the the camera on the Anafi, so that's nice too. And has some has the Wi-Fi settings here if you need the Wi-Fi key and the serial number. Some important information right here also. So let's put it back in the case now. I'm making it harder than it seems here. It goes in pretty easily. All right, I'll get his zip back up again. But what I'm getting to is here, because you got the nice case for the drone, but you have no case for this. So you stick in the backpack and you get your sticks all messed up. But hold on here, through the magic of the internet here, also on Amazon, you can get a case, a third-party case. This is not made by Parrot, but it perfectly matches the case that the drone came in. And I've already got it unzipped here. I'll show you the zip up on me when we put it back. So what it does, it has some. I got some spare accessories in it, but we'll repack it here for the camera. So you can put your controller in here. So, and up here it has holes to keep the sticks from moving around. So that's real nice. And it has a place here for 3 batteries, really, because you can keep 2 batteries here. It doesn't come with a spare battery, but you can keep 2 batteries here, and you can keep the battery in the drone. This is for where you put your extra props. This little slot over here is for your extra your wiring here. You got it folded up real nice, but it folds in there, believe me. And then you put the the drone in here like this. I don't think it goes the other way, actually. Okay, so now you've got your whole kit here, and you also can, it's big enough you can put your ND filters, these are free wells, you can put your extra wirings in there, and you can still get the case closed up tightly. It's got 2 zippers on either side. Both the zippers have pull tabs on it, and it has a handle here, and also has a strap so you can carry it over your shoulder. It's plain all around with no markings, but again, it's the same type of canvas and the same color as the drone thing. So this is a pretty nice kit here. You have everything in a compact, easy to carry, and secure case. Again, I'll put the link down where you can purchase this on Amazon. It's a little over $20, so it's very affordable. And just full disclosure, I'm not an Amazon affiliate. I keep saying you can buy this stuff on Amazon, but you don't have to click my affiliate links. I'm getting, no kickback from any of these purchases. Just maybe you can buy them other places at these same prices. Maybe not. I don't know. I haven't looked. But so that's kind of my Parrot Anafi setup for right now. I'll be making more videos on the Anafi. Spoiler alert here, I think it's a very good drone.